Hello everyone, I'm Saloni and I'm literally sorry to keep you awaited for this video and as I was feeling under the weather so I took a day for recording it. By the way, I hope that you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty in your life. Today I have come up with fabulous activities in order to let you know how the story is fabricated by using the couple of words. So as you can see that there are 5 words which I have written on the board and I will use all those words in order to making up one story and that story will let you know some different types of the awareness which will also help you to frame the same kind of the story and you can also do it different types of the story. So let's get started. So first word is bit by bit. Means धीरे धीरे. Side by side, साथ साथ. Back to back, लगातार. Then by from dawn to dusk means from morning to evening. Then at the end is by leaps and bounds. So what I will do, I will use these 5 words in order to frame the story. So that storytelling is also a way by which the English can be improved. So once upon a time, there was a young boy whose name was Ram. Ram was living in the forest which was located nearby the river. There was a beautiful home and in that home there were 5 members who were living together and Ram was also one of them. Ram was sluggish and he never ever thought to work in the farm and all. As his rest of the family members used to work in the same farm, but he did not feel like working in the same kind of the farm because he was sluggish. Side by side, he used to only overthink just on the unnecessary things. Because of that, his parents was worried a lot what would happen when his parents will be no more. So there was a day when means his parents went some another place in order to search for the business because in that forest some you can say different forest men came and started dominating on them. So Ram was all alone and Ram wanted to make himself a stable. Ram wanted that he should also stand on the feet and for that he started realizing bit by bit that means his parents was right and his parents wanted him to stand on his own feet, but it was quite late as he realized. There was a morning he decided to work and he decided to find a new job so that he could also fulfill his desire and he could you can say arrange some food to eat. So one day means he went to one neighbor and that neighbor suggested him one work of you can say plowing and it was the you can say physical work. So he used to wake up early in the morning. He used to work from dawn to dusk and so that he could get at least a little amount of money so that it could be enough for the survival. So exactly he started doing the work by going from the down to dusk. Then after one after what happened, he met and one amazing person and that person was also one of his friend and that person was educated. He got a job just because that boy was also educated and when you both were in the college at that time both used to work together in all the activities of the school. So Ram started showing the interest in order to know that how did he get a job. So as soon as Ram started asking that friend whose name was Shyam started explaining you can say from basic from beginning to the end. Means how hard he did it in order to make himself stable. As he got failure a lot of times, and despite being failed, he could not stop, he could not give up his journey, and he started practicing, he started working hard, and because of that he got on that position. So this activity, this statement made him realize that failure is not the option. Failure is a teacher who can teach you a lot of lessons in your life. But if you are looking for any kind of the outcomes, any kind of the consequences by leaps and bounds, so it is not gonna work at any cost. If you have any determination for that, you should get up early morning, you should work for that, you must have the determination, you must have the perseverance, so that you are going to do that. Every successful man started their activities with the help of failure only. So whenever you get the failure, at that time you should not give up, you should keep your chin up, so that the failure will not get the better of you. So that was the story. Likewise, you can also create any kind of a story by using any type of the words. You can pick out any words, and that story will enhance your English. So that's all from my end, and I hope that it has been quite lucrative for all of you. So please keep on watching and keep on supporting.